And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Good morning. It is another warm and quiet start out there in Springfield. We've got some mostly clear skies. It is 71 degrees with some southerly winds and sticky dew points in the middle 60s. We're starting out clear and dry. You'll have sunshine if you are headed out to work and school this morning. Starting out mostly sunny, but we'll find increasing clouds as we head through the day today. We've got some of that tropical moisture starting to work its way a little bit closer, so we'll find clouds increasing from south to north out there today as we are continuing to track Laura, now a Category 2 hurricane. And you can see you've got hurricane and tropical storm warnings plastered across the Texas and Louisiana coastlines. This storm again right now is a Category 2 storm with 110-mile-per-hour winds. Tropical storm force winds extend 175 miles out from the center, not quite making it to the coast yet. Those winds and the breath of the storm are going to create devastating storm surge. We're talking storm surge now forecast by the National Hurricane Center up to 15 feet. And what's incredible about this storm surge is look at how far inland it gets. It could get 30 miles inland. So this is not just going to be a coastal storm. This, again, will find impacts very far inland. And this is just the storm surge. Add multiple inches of rain on top of that. So again, a pretty significant storm for us here locally today. Not quite getting in on it yet. We'll find some more of that tropical air mass, that kind of stickier feel, get into the area. That could pop a couple of spotty showers and storms out there this afternoon with those highs up near 90 degrees. The storms will be driven by heat and humidity, so they collapse by sunset. We're quiet tonight. By tomorrow, maybe a few storms again with the clouds, but we're quiet Thursday afternoon. We start to feel the impacts Thursday night. Again, here's Laura, a Category 2 hurricane with 110-mile-per-hour winds. Still looking at incredibly warm waters where the Hurricane Center now forecasting that it could strengthen to a Category 4 storm just before landfall, either hitting as a Category 3 or a Category 4 storm. Lake Charles, Louisiana, and pretty much the whole border there between Texas and Louisiana right in the bullseye. Then the remnants head north through Arkansas all day on Thursday, where we start to get into them Thursday night into Friday, and we're still looking at this big turn to the east. So again, here's how this plays out. You're looking at a landfalling hurricane by Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, the remnants track through Arkansas. Thursday night into Friday, we start to tap into some of this, and they're sitting just to the south and east of the interstate by Friday afternoon with some of that very heavy rain. Then the remnants get swept out under this front by Saturday morning, so we're clear of Laura on Saturday. A couple of storms possible, though, with that front nearby. Again, this big turn is going to be crucial for our forecast locally. It looks like that turn is now happening a little bit farther east, so south central Missouri, north central Arkansas under the gun for the heavy rain of 2 to 4 inches. And then look at how steep this cutoff is. Maybe an inch around Branson and maybe less than half an inch up in Springfield. But if this turn again happens a little bit farther north than west, then you'll have a boost in rain totals closer to the interstate. So we really have to watch this turn for the rain forecast. Nothing really expected to the north and west. So Laura arrives overnight Thursday into Friday. The heaviest rain and flooding in south central Missouri, north central Arkansas with some 2 to 4 inches of rain. But a small change in that turn means a big change in rain totals. You could also find some strong winds with gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible, again, where you'll find most of that rain in south central Missouri and north central Arkansas. 90 degrees today, increasing clouds with some spotty storms. 72 degrees overnight. It stays pretty muggy. 89 degrees tomorrow. We're probably quiet in the afternoon, just mostly cloudy. Laura doesn't get in until the overnight hours. We'll find Laura's rain mainly south and east on Friday. A couple of spotty showers or storms possible on Saturday. Some healthier storm chances Sunday into early next week.